All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. 4 minutes until market opens. We have Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. That actually should cause a decent amount of movement from the market, so we'll keep that in the back of our heads. And also, before market even opens, Kiltech Capsule 3 drops today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm going to run down literally every single piece that we have. We have this Russian blue wash hoodie. We have these sweats that you guys have been hearing all about. Look how fire these are, bro. They got pearls and diamonds going down the fucking side. Absolutely insane. Let me grab the other pieces. I'll be right back. We have 4 different types of denim. So 2 pairs of jorts. You guys have seen me wear these pretty much freaking everywhere. These are the pearl jorts that we are going to be dropping. These are going to sell out super fucking quick. Everybody is super into these. So if you guys want to get your hands on them, be on the site at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Next up, we'll go with the other pair of jorts that we have. These camo cargo jorts. Again, they fit oversized. They look super good. You guys saw me wearing these pretty much for the entire car week vlog. I'm pretty sure I didn't take these off. Super fire. Then we have, boom, this blue wash denim. So fucking clean. And look at the details too. Bat on the ass cheek. Looks really freaking good. Then we also have, last but not least, boom, the mocha leopard print. Bro, these are insane. The mocha leopard print denim, again, absolutely insane on these right here. Like, are you freaking kidding me with how good these look? So those are the 4 pairs of denim that we have. We also have 3 t-shirts, a jersey, and a Zippo that I'm about to go grab. All right, next up, we got the whole drop on our hands here. We have these black mesh workout shorts. Super simple, super freaking fire. These actually, like, that's the thing. Because we're working with higher quality stuff, this is like just so much better than any other like gym short that I have because we're working with higher quality stuff. When most gym like clothing, they are trying to go like super budget beast. But for us, we're working with high quality shit. So these are super freaking nice. Next up, the second pair of shorts that we have, these leopard print, like kind of chill mesh shorts, super freaking clean. Next up, we have one of the 3 t-shirts. This is our 1-800 bankroll tee. Shit looks incredible. As you guys know, that's what the streets are saying. 1-800 motherfucking bankroll. Boom. Next up, we have this Tony Montana tee. Tony Montana wanted tee. So, like, you guys can't really see it on here, but the details on the wanted poster, insane. And then on the back, Department of the motherfucking bankroll. So freaking cool. Then we have this is our Kiltech washed rhinestone tee. So crazy. And the distressing on every single one of the t-shirts is so freaking good. We got like rips in the back, and the wash on these looks really good. You guys saw the Koenigsegg pictures. This is what I was wearing in that. And then this and the zip up are definitely the fan favorites. We have this is definitely the coolest piece of the entire drop. This or the zip up will definitely sell out in under a minute. Look how absolutely in freaking sane this soccer jersey is. Ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. And then we have 2 card holders, one that's going to be black, one that's going to be pink, and then last but not least, let me grab the zipper real quick. This is our reversible zip up hoodie. Okay, so again, when we say reversible, you can literally inside this out. So here, actually, matter of fact, let me put this on so you guys can actually see how this looks, because it looks really freaking good on body when it's like half zipped, because you can see the camo peeking out of it. So again, wear it like this, and you can see the camo peeking out. Bro, it looks so freaking good. And then you can also wear it, again, geez, showing my stomach and shit, but look, like wearing it with the camo peeking out, and then you can also wear it in the other direction. This paired with the camo jorts that we have looks so freaking good. Damn. Yeah, bro. Like, are we serious? So that's the entire Kiltech drop. Drops at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to leave a little link in the description for you guys, so you guys can go on there and sign up to the SMS. Do what is necessary so you guys can be on top of it. And with that being said, let's jump into trades for the day. But Kiltech is actually my main focus for today, because it's National Kiltech Day. Hey, but it looks like we're making a bullish SMT right now. So, hold on. Let's get these to load on up. Right now, NASDAQ is taking out these lows. There we go. Oh, wait, what? ES is taking out those lows as well. Why was I thinking that it wasn't taking out these lows? Oops. Is there a bearish SMT? Okay, so there was a 5-minute bearish SMT off these highs right here, but it looks like the SMT was already achieved by us coming down and taking out these lows right here. We have London lows right here. Asia lows right here. London highs, London lows, Asia lows. Okay, let's see what price has got going on now. So right now, NASDAQ is has already came up and taken out these highs. We did make a high time frame bullish SMT off of these lows right here. I wanted to take longs yesterday, but just decided to stay out of the market because of this big, massive move down that we made during London session. Okay, so this is really interesting price action that we're making right now. We have this bearish SMT off of these highs right here. It's causing NASDAQ to move down pretty heavily. And we're making another bearish SMT from these highs down to these highs up to these highs. It's low-key looking like a bearish day. So we had it was a pre-market sweep of these 5-minute highs, and we just broke 5-minute structure to the downside on NASDAQ. Haven't broken 5-minute structure to the downside yet on ES because we came down and swept out these lows and then broke structure to the upside, and we never actually swept these out before making this reversal. So this initially was a bullish SMT. We come up, we sweep out these highs, then we make a bearish SMT, move down. Then we go through and make another bearish SMT from pre-market highs up to these highs right here. We break 1-minute structure right here on ES. NASDAQ is moving lower. Honestly, bro, I'm going to need to wait and see what price is trying to do off of this, because let's just get rid of all of these, because right now we're coming down and we're sweeping this out and we're in bullish market structure on the 5-minute. We're in bearish market structure on the 5-minute on NASDAQ while also being underneath these lows. So it's like, is this a bullish SMT off of, this is like sweep and SMT galore. Cause look, it's a sweep, and then are we making a bullish SMT from these lows up to these lows and these lows down to these lows off this sweep? That's kind of what I'm thinking it is. Even though I just said my bias is bearish, I'm kind of thinking that we're going to want to be bullish on this. I want to wait a little bit more though. Because the high time frame, like ideally we're trading away from this high resistance liquidity. And ideally we continue this trend up towards these low resistance draws up here. Like, these lows are kind of about as low as I would want to see price go. And since we saw a pre-market sweep of it, we're going to want to see, also the candles are not printing that pretty. On NASDAQ they are. And we're also making a bullish SMT on the 1-minute off of these lows. So I'm thinking right now, let's just sit back. Let's be a little bit patient. It's 9:41 right now, so there's really no reason to rush into anything. let's wait a little bit. S&P 500 price action is looking kind of yucky. Like, what did London session do? London session came up, swept out these highs. Bro, this is a difficult one. I like want to be bearish, but I also don't. Bro, this is looking difficult. This is difficult for me to read right now. Like, we very well could go in just either direction. Like, we have low resistance draws on liquidity on the 5-minute right here. But also, high time frame, we took out these highs during London session, right? This is like London manipulation, reversal. Probably looking for a New York continuation, but we also just took out these lows and we're making bullish S&Ts off of it. And ES is printing like shit. A 1-minute structure to the downside right there.
gonna see what happens off this gap on ES. These closes are ugly. Okay, so maybe that's the Kickstarter to push us higher. I'm keeping it $150 with y'all, bros. Right now, this is looking like crazy. I can't. I'm not getting the best read on where this shit wants to go. The way that this is looking like right now, though, makes me want to be bullish. And I just keep flipping back and forth, but after that candle up and after this candle up, after taking out these lows, that's what it's looking like to me. But I could very well flip right back in the other direction, just like how price has been flipping back and forth. NASDAQ breaks, I'll go long here. Okay. So we broke structure the upside on the 1 minute on ES. That very well could have been like the manipulation leg up for us to go lower, but I mean, shit, bro. I'm already in this, so. Uh-oh. We're getting real fucking close now. It's not looking too hot for us, bros. It's not looking good, bros. Wow. Could this be it? Or will this be the end? Oh, we're getting so freaking close, bros. Okay. Wow. No way. Oh my days. Oh my god. There's no way that this news candle just ends up turning things in our direction, right? I think it is. Wow. This shit's gonna hit take profit. I hope. I'm pretty sure it will, though. Wow, we got just played by that by that news, bro. Man, market was scaring me for a second. Market was scaring me for a second. Got a little bullish S&T though. Now it's looking really good for us. Wow. Crazy, 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 bro. ES is gonna have to take out these highs. NASDAQ will probably have to take out these highs. If we want to go higher, that's up to price. I don't know if I'll do a full close at these highs right here. Gotta see how ES is moving for real. Yerp, yerp, yerp. Yep, 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 yep. Big rip through these highs. Let's hit a big rip through those highs. Boom, we took out these highs. Close half my position there. Stops are at break even. I'm up $14,840 from closing half the position. Kind of sucks because I would have been up a lot more if I had closed right when the shit hit, but it immediately like reversed off those highs. Holy smokes. Whoa. Okay, good. All right. Wait. Okay, thank goodness. Okay, so the rest of my position got got stopped out at break even. I lost a little bit of monies on that stop out at break even, so I ended up making $14,780 on the day. Not horrible for the first trade of the week and the first trade of the month, but also not necessarily the best. But honestly, I'm kind of glad the way that today played out because, I mean, look at this price action, dude. This is just some shit that is horrifying, you know? Honestly, shorts right now all the way down to the deep end would be a great play, but there's no reason to chase after that because what's done is done. Made my money, no reason to try and give or put any money back into the market. Instead, we're going to save that money and buy Kill Tech Capsule 3. All right, bros. I love and appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow if I end up trading. We do have non-farm payroll on Friday, so keep that in mind. But other than that, solid trading day. All right, bros. I'll catch you. Peace.